Looking for the best folding shovel? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 folding shovel on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. FiveJoy Military Folding Shovel. Multi-piece, long handle hides various survival tools. Shovel is contoured with a serrated edge for chopping and digging. Lightweight and compact. Comes with carrying case. This military style option maximizes its usefulness with extra tools and gear stored in the handle. Some of the survival accessory tools are too small to be effective. At number 2. SOG Folding Shovel. Shovel folds down in a trifold design, preserving more space in bags. Looped military e-tool handle is large and comfortable for long periods of use. Comes with nylon carrying case. The best budget option for a simple, easy-to-use folding shovel and entrenching tool. On the smaller side and difficult to use for larger digging projects. At number 1. Tyger Auto Military Heavy Duty Folding Compact Tool. Made of carbon steel and anodized aluminium. 16 functions in one unit. Shovel blade doubles as hoe, axe, and saw. Handle conceals survival tools. Sliding mechanism switches blade configurations. This model packs 16 functions into a shovel and entrenching tool that can live in your vehicle. Somewhat expensive and some functions are very niche. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.